Boom! One of you lovely people have asked me to cover this type of question. So, and by the way, guys, whoever wants me to cover a specific question, just DM me, let me know which question, which paper, what exam board, and also whether it's higher or foundation, and I'll be sure to do it. Let's go. So it says, compare the table of values y equals 2x minus 1. On the grid, draw the graph for values of x from -2, boom, all the way up to 3. How do we do this? I wonder. Guys, what I'll do is I'll use this one here, right? The one that they've already given us the answer for, the one that they've already done, to show you guys how to do it, yeah? So, x here. When x is -1, y is -3. Let's check. When x is -1, all I do is substitute the -1 into where x is. So y equals what? 2 bracket -1, right? Take away 1. So what's 2 times -1? Is -2, right? -2 take away 1 is -3. Very easy, right? You don't have to do this long way. You can literally do it quickly. Yeah? Let's apply it to this one. So this is y equals 2 times what's x? -2 in this case, right? So 2 times -2 is -4. -4 minus 1 is -5. Boom. Here, we substitute 0 into where x is. So y equals 2 times 0, which is 0, minus 1, which just stays as -1. Substitute the 1 into where x is. So y is 2 times 1, which is 2, take away 1, which is 1. Same thing with this one, y equals 2 times 2, which is 4, take away 1, which is 3. Y equals 2 times 3, which is 6, take away 1, which is 5, which they've done. Yeah, now we just need to plot the graph. X, when x is -2, y is -5. So -2, then y is -5. Boom. When x is -1, y is -3, so -1 and then -3. Then 0 minus 1. See, when x is 0, y is -1. 1, when x is 1, y is 1. 1, 1. Then 2, 3. Then 3, 5. Then 3, 5. Yeah, good. 2, 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Yep, good. Now, all we do is just literally just draw the graph. Let me draw the graph. Let me draw the graph. Yes, it works actually. Good. So now what do we do? So it says use your graph to find the value of x when y equals 0.4 in the y-axis. This is the y-axis, right? That's 0, that's 1. So 0.4, let's check how much this goes up in. 2, 4, 0.2, 0.4. Okay, good. So that's 0.2 and that's 0.4, right? Right there. So now I can use my ruler. Guys, I actually didn't know I could use this. And I didn't know it was gonna it's gonna allow me to draw straight lines. Before, if you see my other videos, I'll just be drawing some mash-up lines with my hand. Right? You learn something new every day. So let's do that. Let's get that and then connect it to that. So it would be like here. Good. Now we do this here. Connect it to here. So it will be, x will be 0. This one's going up in ones, you can tell, right? Because that's 0.123, that's 0.5. So it will be 0.6. So when y is 0.4, when y is 0.4, x is 0.6. Boom, 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 boom. Light work. Boom.